Hi everyone, welcome to our unique step-by-step classes on Power BI, a complete hands-on training program with excellent real-time projects, many use case scenarios to make you a Power BI professional, to make you job ready and to make sure you secure your job desk. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I have been into this database platforms and data analysis activities for more than 2 decades. I am pretty sure my training classes will make you a pro, a professional in Power BI. With my step-by-step activities on understanding, making you understanding the complete activities of Power BI, including architecture to big data operations, data modeling to detailed DAX activities, DAX, data analysis expression language, everywhere, every move is very much useful and at the same time clear cut with my examples. Let's get started to understand more about this beautiful step-by-step job-oriented program Power BI. Let's get started now. The agenda for this short video, we'll be learning what is Power BI first. We'll be slowly proceeding for the advantage of Power BI, components of Power BI, job roles, certifications, and what kind of activities we are going to do in this 100% practical training program. At the end, the details about our real-time project. Let's get started. What is Power BI? Power BI is a technology. Power BI is a science with set of tools used to read any type of data, make us understand any type of data and proceed for rich user interface eye-catchy reports. In our classes, we'll be learning from scratch how to read various types of data like database data, files, websites, apps, social media, drives like OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. Any type of data Power BI can easily understand. There's a greatness of Power BI. In our classes, we are going to enjoy this greatness with lot of technical examples. Further, let's understand the advantage of Power BI. Yes, Power BI has good amount of flexible data connectivity activities. Power BI has excellent options to get colorful reports and dashboards. Power BI has AI concepts integrated free of cost, part of our classes. Power BI has real-time analytics, security and data governance activities. That's why I said Power BI is a big science. It's not just tool anymore. It has become a big science, analytics science. We are going to learn about collaboration and sharing activities. We are going to learn about data prep activities, also called data prepping. We have something called Power Query to do this and data modeling activities. Mobile access, in our classes, we have mobile reports in Power BI. Extension and integration concepts. We have Fabric integrations and Azure extensions in Power BI, part of our classes, including pricing and planning methods for our end-to-end project. In our classes for Power BI, we are going to learn various components. On my screen, we are going to learn various components of Power BI right from files, database connections, ERP, CRM data sources, IoT data sources and applications. From these data sources, we are going to learn in our classes how to connect and ingest the data into something called One Lake. Fabric architecture comes into picture, part of our classes. We are going to learn about transformations, data modeling, visualizations, and then distribute those reports in the form of dashboards, apps, semantic models, collaboration activities, team shares, etc. everything in a single shot. Just imagine if I take utmost care, if I touch every component of Power BI as per the architecture and give you practical touch on the subject with every concept with complete notes and assignment, how beautiful our resume will be, how confident we will be at our resume and interview, how secure we will be at our job desk. Here I am at your guidance, at your doorstep. Yes, let's work together to secure our job roles. In Power BI, we see a lot of markets. But remember, yes, utmost care is required to master Power BI. We need it. It is bit vast. It's not just reporting. It has reporting, but beyond that, we have good amount of modeling activities, big data analytic activities, mashup activities, and there is a certification called PL300. I will be guiding you for that particular certification, Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst PL300 exam, complete guidance part of my classes. In our Power BI, I actually architectured the course, curated the course for 2 months with 4 modules. I will be teaching you first module SQL. Then I'll be teaching you Power BI. Then I'll be teaching you real world scenarios and project separately with complete solution. Finally, PL300 guidance will be given to you. I will make you a pro, trust me. In our Power BI classes, I included detailed step-by-step activities on SQL queries and tuning concepts. Let's explore more on this module 1 content first. Yes, on my screen. Module 1 will be learning about the database activities, introduction concepts and installations with SQL basics. Then we'll proceed for commands, SQL commands, operators, data types, the Excel imports and CSV imports. We'll be learning about schemas, batches, constraints, and normal forms. These chapter 8 and 9 are very important to make us understand Power BI data models, semantic models. I'll make you practically understand the exact touch on joins, queries, views, row level security, stored procedure concepts. I will be helping you to understand the things in a simple way, detailed way, functions, triggers, transactions, query tuning with CTE, indexes, and group by queries. I'll be teaching you joins, group by with subqueries, cursors and fetch operations, window functions, case statement, and merge activities, including 2 real-time projects. Additionally, we'll move on to module 2. In module 2 Power BI, we are going to learn from the scratch installation, introduction, detailed architecture and report design concepts. We are going to learn about visual interactions and Power BI activities with templates. We are going to learn grouping, hierarchy, slices, and visual sync. We are going to learn about hierarchies and drill downs, filters and drill through, buttons and bookmarks. We are going to learn about SQL DB access and storage modes. There are olden days 3 storage modes. Now we have 4 storage modes. We are going to learn them slowly, step by step. We need to make sure our information is up to date. I am here to guide you with latest up-to-date Power BI concepts, Power BI visualizations, Power Query in detail. I have 50 examples on Power Query. I have detailed step-by-step 50 examples on Power BI Cloud, publishing, reports, dashboards, semantic models, apps and gateways, 50 examples. Additionally, I have report server and RDL, page-related reports for you. I'll be teaching you about DAX, DAX, 50 examples, 50. Detailed step-by-step activities with DAX columns, DAX measures, DAX expressions, DAX data types, DAX functions, row level security. We have something called as data modeling with DAX, analytical reports, variables, parameterization, time intelligence, account intelligence, and so on. We'll be learning about the concepts of DAX, the PL300 guidance with respect to PL300 certification exam, part of my classes. Come on, what more you're waiting for? Let's get into the game. Let's have a safe game in a simple, at the same time useful way. Let's make it clear and straight on what we are going to learn first and slowly step into the learning process. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy my classes. I'll put my 100%, trust me, in my training classes. I'll make sure you enjoy every technical subject or every technical concept, every example. I trust you. You will be submitting your every concept assignments on time or max by weekend. The classes would be Monday to Friday. By weekend, you'll submit all your assignments. My kind request so that I can guide you for your resume optimizations, project work, and placement programs that we provide. See you soon in my actual classes, and thank you so much for listening to me till now. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.